What's going on, knuckleheads? So in today's video we're going to be doing the 5,000-ish mile review on the SharkRoad exhaust that I put on a couple months ago. So let's roll the intro and get started. Can't believe that was still on. All right. We'll just go handheld here. So the exhaust overall looks really good, especially compared to the last set, but I haven't been caught in the rain, but one time, and that was only for a 3-mile trip. It was just last weekend going to breakfast. See, for 5,000 miles and me only getting stuck in the rain one time, that's fucking doing something. Because it's usually about every 1,000 that I find a good mess of rain. Now, there is no rust. Yes, they're dirty. I'm not a clean freak. But the coating seems to be holding up. I need to get them hot. I might go for a ride later today and get them hot. Then go to the car wash and wash them off, and then see what they look like for rust. The only rust to speak of is the fasteners for the end cap. And it's on all of them. And while I like the being a little bit different and having the contrast cut on the inside of the tip, you can't tell that it's there anymore on one of them. But that's the nature of a stock M8. We might be taking care of that soon. All right, so we are actually 2, maybe 3 days later. But I did get the exhaust hot. I took it to the car wash, sprayed right at the inlet of the slip-ons on both sides, and there's no rust. This ceramic coating is holding up a lot better. Still nice and smooth. The only rust on these pipes is these bolts that bolt on the end cap. I'm pretty impressed. The ceramic coating's holding up good. But yeah. That's going to do it for today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell so you know when I upload. And there is a link down there somewhere for Busted Knuckle merch. But I'll see you guys in the next one.